everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we're doing PLANK-PLYO Tabata HIIT style. So 20 seconds of work with 10 seconds of break. So we don't need anything, just our mats. Plyo is a great exercise. So it's an explosive movement like jump trainings, quick, powerful movements. It's really great for our endurance, speed, and strength. So we're gonna do that today with planking, a lot of planking, working on our core and whole body. Grab your water and let's get started. Okay, ready everyone? Let's get started with a warm-up shoulder roll out. Big arm circles. Now reverse that circle. 3, 2, 1. Hamstring curl. Good. Now heel tap forward, press out to the front 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. Hamstring curl. 4, 3, 2, 1. Heel tap forward. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now reach up. Up. Feel that in the weight. 4, 3, 2, 1. Across. 4. Feel that in your back. One more time. Up. 4, 3, 2, 1. To the back. 4, 3, 2, and 1. March it in. Hip openers. 3, 2, 1, switch other side. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Marching in for 10 seconds. Big arm circle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse it other way. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Now let's go and get started. First, Tabata. All exercise will be 20 seconds of work with 10 seconds of break. So first Tabata, we're gonna have 2 different exercises. And we're going to repeat everything 4 cycles. So first one, let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to start with plank. First, shoulder tap with 4 plank jacks. That's what we're going to do. So, get ready. 20 seconds and go. So, shoulder tap plank jack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now modify. Shoulder taps, plank on your knees, and then come up without the jump. 2, 3, 4. Otherwise, stay on your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Tap, tap. Take a break. Same thing next. Cycle 2. So we're going to start with the plank part and then move on to the plyo part next. Standing. Plyo will be pretty much all standing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Tap. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, tap, tap. 1. Hands right below your shoulders. You got this. 1. Take a break. 2 more cycles. Ready? Go. Back straight, core engaged. Breathe. Take a break. 1 more cycle, and then we're going to switch to our plyo part. Ready? We're going to come up. We're going to start with jump ropes first. Cycle 5. 20 seconds of jump ropes. Here we go. Now if you don't want to jump, do a kick instead, but make sure to move your arms because we're jump roping. Or you can even alternate your legs. Up to you. Make it fun. Take a break. Next, we're doing floor tap jacks. Cycle 6. Here we go. If you can't go all the way down, tap your knees, tap the floor, or just down to your knees as low as you can. Modify. these two. 4 jump ropes, 4 floor tap jacks, 4 of each. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Floor tap jacks, chest up, bend those knees, not your lower back. Take a break, one more cycle, and then we're done with round 1. Same thing next. Keep moving, after recovery. Breathe. And take a break. Let's stop the timer so we can get our water break. Longer than 10 seconds. Get water. Great, while you're taking your break, Tabata 2. Again, 2 different exercises, but this time, instead of doing 4 cycles and then moving on to the next, we're gonna alternate. So 2 exercises, alternating each cycle. Let me show you what we're gonna do. First one, we're gonna start in plank. Down, down, commando plank, up, up. Cross mountain climbers 4 times. Bringing your knee to your opposite hand. Modify. Do the commando plank on your knees. And then 4 cross mountain climbers. Mountain climbers, yes. And then next, our plyo part, we're doing. We're doing squat jump, and a heel flick. Not star jumps yet. So, modify. You can do a squat. And then a knee lift, slightly across, working our obliques. Or you can even tap your knees. You can do this instead of heel flicks. Alternating each cycle, 8 cycles. Start with commando, plank, and cross mountain climbers 4 times. Ready? Round 2, here we go. Down, down, up, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it going. Make sure you're switching your hands. When you go down to your right first, go down on your left next. Take a break. Cycle 2, come on up. Squat jump. Heel flick. 1 of each. Get ready. Here we go. Squat jump. Heel flick. Okay, modify. Squat, knee tap with your opposite hand. Bend those knees. Take a break. Back to commando plank. Mountain climbers. Cycle 3. Get ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got this. Keep it going. Breathe. Take a break. Cycle 4, squat jump to heel flick. Get ready. Here we go. Squat jump, heel flick. Squat jump, heel flick. Swing your arms. Help with the movements. Cycle 5, back to commando, mountain climbers, cross mountain climbers. Halfway through.
Every day goes by so fast.
Ready? Here we go.
Every moment counts, baby.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Take a break. Cycle 6, squat jump, heel flick again. Here we go. each leg, each cycle. Whew, commando, cycle 7. This is it. Here we go. Last 20 seconds for this exercise. Breathe. Take a break. Last cycle, cycle 8. Squat jump, heel click.
And we don't need to do the things we don't want to do.
Here we go. Take a break. I'm going to stop the timer. That was our Tabata 2. Great job, everyone. Get water. Great job. Okay. While you're taking your break, Tabata 3, that 2, 1 exercise for 4 cycles, and then moving on to the next for 4 cycles. So we're going to alternate each round. First exercise, plank. We're going to be on our elbows. So start with the left side only. We're going to draw a letter, capital letter L. If you want to make it challenging, keep your feet off the floor. If you need to, tap. Tap. That's 4. That's 4. First 4. Next one, we're doing jump lunges and toe touch jacks. I'll show you what we're going to do as we go on. Okay, bottom 3. 4 cycles in a row, and then we'll move on to the next. Left side. Here we go. Start with elbow plank. Right below the shoulder. Up. And bring it to the side. Letter L. If you can, keep your foot off the floor the whole time. If you need to, tap it on the floor in between. Really feeling that in your core, in your whole body. Take a break. Cycle 2, right side. Get ready, 20 seconds. Here we go. Side. Keep your hips stable to the floor. Breathe. Take a break. Cycle 3, back to left. Ready? Here we go. Keep going, breathe. Don't hold your breath. Take a break. Cycle 4, back to our right side, and then we're going to stand up and move on to our plyo part. Ready? Here we go. This is it for this one, this exercise. Good, you got it. Breathe. Whew. Not easy, but it's worth it. Take a break. Cycle 5, we're doing jump lunges. 20 seconds. Here we go, jump lunges. Again, if you don't want to jump, do reverse lunges instead without the jump. Otherwise, stay here, move your arms. So not this or this. Keep your back straight. Take a break. Cycle 6, toe touch jacks. So you're going to do a jumping jack to a low squat. Tap your toes. If you don't want to jump, toe tap, squat. Or even you don't have to go all the way down. Just go down to your knees. Up to you. Do what works for you. But if you can go all the way down, go for it. Take a break. Cycle 7, 8. We're going to combine these two. 4 jump lunges, 2 toe touch jacks. water. So stop the timer. Okay, while you're taking your break, about 4, back to 2 exercises, alternating each cycle. So let me show you the play part. We're doing push-up variations. First one, we're going to start with the regular push-up. Hands out wide, either on your knees if you need to, or on your toes. And then next, we're going to come up for the final part. You can have the mat in between. Jump over the mat. 1, so you're going to go jump, ski hop, 4 high knees, ski hop, 4 high knees. I think I will have the mat right here facing this way so you can see better. So alternating each cycle for this round, about a 4. Okay. 20 seconds. Here we go, push up. So stay here. Hands on one, push up. Modify. Do it on your knees. Whatever works for you. Take a break. Next, ski hop or high knees each side. Cycle 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to jump over the mat. Modify. Step over. Or march in place right here. Otherwise. Take a break. Cycle 3, we're going to do a slow push-up. 2 counts down, 2 counts up. Either on your knees or on your toes. So 1, 2, up, 2. Modify. 2, up, 2. Keep going. Core engaged. 1, 2, up, 2. Back to ski hop or high knees. Cycle 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a break. Cycle 5. We are doing a plyo push-up. This is fun. You're going to start in plank, jump out to a push-up, jump in. You see me from the front and plank. Modify, do a regular push-up on your knees. Otherwise, keep going. 6, back to ski hop. Okay, next one, we're doing single leg push-up. 2 push-ups per leg. So lift the left foot up. 2, switch. Modify. Regular push-up on your knees. Otherwise, switch. Take a break. Cycle 8. Last ski hop high knees. Start from this side. Here we go. And I'm going to stop the timer. Done with Tabata 4, halfway through. water break. Now, Tabata 5. Back to 2 exercises, repeating 4 cycles in a row, and then switching it to the next one. Let me show you what we're going to do first. Start with the plank exercise. We're going to be on our hips, right here. So watch me first. 1, 2, bring in your knees to your chest twice. Turn over to a side plank. 1, 2, left side, same side. Modify, if you want to make it challenging, you can keep your hands off the floor when you do knees to chest crunch, and then roll over to the side, 2 side plank dips. Modify, 1, 2, keep your hips on the floor, and then 1, 2, lift your feet off the floor instead. 4 cycles, and then we're gonna come up, do a skater curtsy hop. I'll show you next. Okay, ready? Here we go. 2 of each. So hands on or off the mat. 1, 2, left side plank dips. 1, 2. Same side for the side plank dips. 1. Keep your back straight. 1, 2. Take a break. Let's do left side one more time and then move on to the right side. 2 cycles next, instead of turning back and forth. So ready? 1, 2, left side again. Back on your hips. 1, 2. Make it challenging by hands off the floor. Or modify by keeping your hands and your hips on the floor. Next 2 cycles, we're going to do the other side. We're going to turn this way so you can see me better. Ready? 1, 2. Elbow right below the shoulder. 1, 2. On your hips. Knees to chest crunch. Don't drop your hips on the floor. Take a break. 1 more cycle. Cycle 4, and then we're going to move on to our plyo part, standing. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. On your hips. 1, 2. Keep going. You got this. Take a break. Now next 4, next cycle we're doing skaters. Cycle 5, skaters. Here we go. Go all the way down if you want to make it challenging. Like you guys take my posting ball. Or stay up a little higher up. Or even, you don't want to jump, without the jump. Up to you. Take a break. 1 more cycle, skaters. Cycle 6, here we go. Chest up. We're doing 3 skaters with a curtsy hop. So basically we're switching legs. 3 skaters. So 1, 2, 3, hop. 1, 2, 3, hop. Modify without a jump to a curtsy lunge instead. Otherwise, adding that jump and hop. Take a break, 1 more cycle. We're down like Tabata 5. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, hop. 1, 2, 3, hop. Take a break. Down like Tabata 5. Whew, more than halfway through. Get water, everyone. Superman plank. So you're going to start in plank position right here. Up, and then tap your knee. Up, tap your knee. Modify, do it on your knees. Opposite arm, opposite leg. And then tap your knee right here. And then, next one, we're going to do a star jump with a quick turn to the side. Modify, here, and then turn with a squat root jump. Okay, so alternating each cycle, start with Superman plank. Ready? Here we go, cycle 1. So up, tap, up, tap. Make sure you're not doing this, right? Nice and slowly, bring them down. Cycle 2, star jump with a quick turn. Here we go, star jump. Other side. Less than 10. Take a break. Cycle 3, back to Superman plank. Here we go. Up, tap, up, and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. See, one side is better than the other. Take a break. Cycle 4, star crunch, star jump with quick turn. Here we go. Using your core, turn. Cycle 5, back to Superman plank. Here we go. Take a break. Cycle 6, star jump again. Ready? Star jump, quick turn. Take a break. 2 more cycles left. Last Superman plank. 20 seconds. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, and down 4. Take a break. Last cycle, star jump with a quick turn. Here we go, last 20 seconds for this exercise. And we're done with Tabata. Keep going. Done. Okay. Get water. That was our Tabata 6. Great job, everyone. Now, Tabata 7, back to 4 cycles, and then switching it to the next one. First 4, we're going to start with the side plank again. So, we're doing a lot of side planks today. On your elbow, you're going to go 2 dips, toe tap front and back. Modify on your hips. You can stay here or even just stay in side plank position. Up to you. And then I'll show you what we're going to do next for the plyo parts. Ready, everyone? Let's start with the right side. 2 cycles and then move on to the left. 2 cycles. Cycle 7. Tabata 7. Here we go. So 2 dips. 1, 2. Front. Tap. 1. Elbow right below the shoulder. 1, 2. You'll land your obliques. Take a break. 1 more cycle, right side, and then we're gonna switch to left. Oh, so hot. Here we go. 2, 1, 2, front, back. Next 2 cycles, we're doing left side. 2 dips, front and back, toe tap. Ready? 1, 2, front, back. Good. Keep your opposite arm up to help you keep your back straight. One more cycle, and then we're going to stand up. Ready? I'm gonna move the mat this way so you can see me. We're doing ski hops again. Oops. Oh, so sorry. Ski hops. Jump over the mat. If you don't want to jump, step over instead. Otherwise, or you can do this, 1 leg at a time. If you want to make it hard, both feet at the same time. Take a break. Now, we're doing power skip. 3 ski hops with a power skip. Cycle 6. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3. So this we're on the right side. The right foot goes back. 2 power skips. Take a break. 2 more cycles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Right side, right lunge. 1, 2, 3. Left side, left lunge. Take a break. 1 more cycle, and we're done with round 7. Here we go. Great job, everyone. Good news, we have 1 more round left, and that's it. Okay. Now this is a fun one. Back to alternating. So, watch me first. You're gonna start with bringing your left arm out to the side, do 4 mountain climbers, and then switch. See me from the front, out to the side, 4 here, and then switch. Now, if that's too much on your shoulders, And then next, we're gonna do a plie squat, targeting right our thigh. So you're gonna go 1, 2, and then a jump. Heel lift, and then a jump. Modify, 1, 2, both heels down, squat. Alternate. This is it. Left arm out to the side first. Go. So right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. Take a break. Plie squat jump. Cycle 2. So 1, 2, jump. 1, 2. But not like you're pulsing. 1, 2 pulse, and then jump. Cycle 3, back to plank jack. Single or plank jack. Your hands should be right below the shoulders. The one that's on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. Modify, stay here. Both hands on the floor. Cycle 4, plie. Here we go. 2, jump. Take a break. 5, back to single arm plank jack. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. Back straight. Seven, no, 6. I'm trying to skip one cycle. I wish, right? So 1, 2 more cycles left. Last cycle of single arm plank jack. This is it, last 20 seconds. 2, 3, 4, switch. Last 20 seconds, plie. We're done after this. Here we go. 1, 2, jump. Stop the timer, because we're done. Get water, everyone. So sweaty. Okay. 3 deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Keep this breathing pace and let's start stretching. Shoulder stretch. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Other side, shoulder, inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, nice and deeply. Triceps, release, interlace your fingers, press your arms out to the front, tuck your chin into your chest, press out for a good back stretch. Bring your arms up, back straight, side to side. Feel that in your waist, in your arms. Open your arms, interlace your fingers, press up, and slowly bend forward. Bend your knees, you're stretching your front shoulders, chest, and the back of your legs. And slowly come on up, shoulder roll out, 3, 2, 1. Here to the shoulder, other side. Good. Bring your heel to your glutes, quad stretch. You can hold on to a wall if you need to, or you can even bring your opposite arm up to help you keep the balance. Switch. Good. Breathe. Hamstring stretch. Heel down, toes up, keep your knees soft. Gently press it down on your thigh. Switch. Toes to the front, step out, hips back, inner thigh stretch. Switch. And our last stretch, left over right, hands on your thigh, and gently press it down. Stretching out the hips right here. Switch. Good. Now take a deep breath in your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more, inhale. Exhale. 1 more time, inhale. And exhale. And we're done for today. Oh, that was our PLANK-PLYO Tabata HIIT workout. Great job, everyone. That was not easy, but we made it through. We did it. Drink your water. Have a great day. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you know when the next new videos are uploaded.